Welcome to price action real traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with the engulfing zone. You see here, this is the zone, breakout of the zone, weak candle at the zone. I placed my trade here just now before I start the video. So this is part 5 on how to trade with engulfing zone. So as I have told you, this strategy is included inside my ebook. I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. So let's check another one. So you have to exercise patience to get good opportunity. Any strategy, if you want to be successful, you have to exercise patience. So you should not be rushing, because you have to get opportunity. See here, gap up, so I'll not place trade. You see engulfing breakout, but market gap up. So if you see gap up, just wait, because you have 50-50 chance here. It may reverse, it may go down. So if you see gap up, don't place your trade. See, sellers entry. This is weak bias. I will place call option. I place my trade call option here because you see breakout, weak bias, then you should expect strong bias after breakout of the zone. If you see weak bias, you should expect strong bias. So that's why I place my trade call option here. So I know definitely bias must enter here. So that's why I place my trade after the breakout of this zone. You see engulfing breakout. So you should expect strong bias, but market is doing panic. So but I know definitely it must give me winning trade. We have 10 seconds now. So let's see. You see strong bias. You see strong bias. So that's why I place my trade. I know definitely bias must enter here. So let's check another one. As I have told you, this strategy is very strong if you can be able to identify. You see here, this is the zone. You see rejection, then you see market reverse. Let's check another one. Sorry, something. So this strategy is very powerful if you can be able to identify the good setup. So it's very good one, and it can give you 85 to 90 win ratio sometimes. (85 to 90% win ratio). So I'm trying to check another one, but here is engulfing. Yes, this is engulfing, then breakout, and here as well engulfing. So I will wait for market to break this level here or close at this level, at this zone, because here is this zone. Yes, here is the zone. You see momentum, market close at zone, but this candle is very strong. So in the ebook I show you which candle you're supposed to place your trade and which candle you are not supposed to place your trade. If you see this type of candle, you wait for the next candle, because in this type of this candle you have 50-50 chance market may still go down and it may reverse, so you have to be careful. If you see this type of candle, it may not work, it may work as well. That's why I've explained it. Let's wait. You see, so now I will place my trade. You see weak candle, weak bias at the zone, so you should expect strong bias. So that's why I place my trade. Call option here. Market is doing panic, but I know it must give me winning trade here. Bias must enter definitely here. We have 30 seconds now. So if you see this type of candle, you wait for the next candle, because this candle may be red, this type of candle. So that's why if you see this type of candle as the zone, so wait for the next candle. So if you see weak sellers or buyers, then you can place your trade. So I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. So you see, this is winning trade. I took total 3 trades this strategy. Sorry, I closed one, but no problem. I took total 3 trades with this strategy. As I have told you, the strategy is very powerful. I'm coming, let me pause. So as I have told you, this strategy is very powerful. You see here, this is here, you see. So here you see engulfing, another engulfing. So you wait for market to break this level or to close inside this level, this zone here, because don't place your trade like this here. If you see market touch the zone, if you don't have strong downtrend, don't place your trade, because it may not work here. So you wait for market to reach this level, this zone, then you place your trade. As you can see here, I place my trade here, the one I closed just now. What you see here, this is the zone, this is the zone. You see engulfing, 3 zones here. So if market break this zone, you can place your trade here. If market break this level, then you can place your trade put option here. Or if market close inside this zone, if market close inside this zone, you can place your trade, or break the zone, you can place your trade as well. You see here, you see rejection, which means this area is, there are sellers here. So it means if market close inside this sellers, this zone, so you know definitely sellers must enter. So this is the way that you will trade this engulfing zone trading strategy. You see market is doing panic here, up and down, you see. You see, so you see strong bias. See, very strong bias here. So you see market break this zone that is rejecting. You see market has rejected. So you will still wait, because don't place your trade here. Market may still go up. So it's very simple, and it just is just exercise patient. If you can be able to be patient, you can make money with this strategy. I'll try to wait for the opportunity. If you are hurry, you cannot make money in this market. Just calm down and wait. You see market reverse before it reaches the zone, so you just ignore it anytime you see this type, because here you have 90% chance, but here you have 50. So don't trade with 50% chance, because it's very dangerous. You can lose money if you are trading with 50% chance. So you see here is the zone, here is the zone as well, but you see strong sellers. You see this is strong sellers. So this type of candle is very strong one. So if you see this type of candle, you wait for the next candle, because this type of candle market may still go down. So you wait for the next candle if you see this type of candle. So you see this type of candle, so don't place your trade, because it may reverse, it may go down. So don't place your trade on this type of candle. You see this type of candle may still go down. So but if you see weak candle after this type of candle, you can place your trade. So but here you see it's another level, here it's another zone. You see this is another zone. So now you can place your trades at this zone, because here you see engulfing, you see engulfing. So market close at the engulfing zone, so you should expect market to go down. So that's why you see I place my trade again here, because of this zone is very strong one. You see, so this strategy is very nice. You see I wait for how many, just maybe 5 minutes, I get good chance. So if you can be able to exercise patience, so you can make money with this strategy. It's very simple, and it's very profitable. You see, so you see I took total 4 trades, all are winning trade. The other trade I took it, I'll close it here. Maybe I can, you see this I took on this candle. So you see here, let me explain so that you will understand. You see this trade here, I place my trade put option here. why I place my trade put option here, you see this red candle is engulfing. You see another engulfing here. So all this area is the zone here. So but this candle broke the zone. Then I see weak sellers at this zone. Then I'm expecting strong sellers and good margin of safety. You see I place my trade put option here. So then the other trade here, you see, yes, this is the another trade here. You see this area here is engulfing, here is another engulfing. The market break this engulfing, you see. Then I see weak buys, then I'm expecting strong buys. So that's why I place my trade here. It's very simple. Just try to identify the strong area. Then here the one I close here, this one I close it here, you see here coming. You see here, this is the engulfing, here is another engulfing. So the whole area here, the area, and this is the breakout. Then I see weak buys at this zone. Then I place my trade here, call option, you see. And the last trade here, this one, you see here, you see here, this is engulfing, this is another engulfing. You see market close at this area, this zone, market close at this zone. Then I place my trade put option here. Simple. So I took total 4 trades with this strategy, all are winning trade on this engulfing zone trading strategy. So it's very powerful. So please, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If you have any suggestion or comment, please drop it in the comment section. So I will say thank you, bye bye.